Where's the picture?
The picture, apparently the picture is we. Smile. Okay, so what is a Friday without something to laugh about? We're going to get into this week's viral videos now, I think. So we're going to play them from source, and then you'll hear what we have to say on the other side of the videos. Yes, we're queuing them now. Don't wait. Have a little faith, Brother Maffei. To video or not to video? That is a question.
To picture or no picture?
That is a question.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, see it? Oh, what's that little girl? Look. I'm going to content look. When you watch out, look. Watch out, look. You never see this in Jamaica yet? 12 years old, a load truck. Look on her. Look on her. Yeah, man, watch her. Watch her. Yeah, man, we call her baby. Yeah, man, watch her. Too much. Yeah, no, watch her go on. People. Watch her go on, truckers. Yeah, see how they do. Ah, fit to the sun now. Yeah, they do what? Yeah, man. What the granddaughter. Yeah. Watch her, no watch her go on. No watch her go on. No watch her go on. You watch her go on. I see it foot. Watch her go on. No watch her go on. I look at that. Yeah, man.
That's a 12-year-old.
Great.
She's skillful, man.
If that is in fact the case, that is a future rally car
No,
driver.
man, she's skillful, man.
Wow, there.
Yeah.
Okay,
I've always
impressive.
rated the drivers of the big trucks and stuff. Sometimes it is amazing that if they want to go so, them turn the truck, yeah, the other way. You notice it?
Wide and combo.
But you notice if they're reversing and they want the truck to go this way.
They must go.
The cab,
so,
yeah, the cab go the other way.
Yeah.
It's
a maths
amazing.
I don't want to have to figure
But
out.
they're amazing drivers.
Have you seen those trucks going over Flatbridge?
Yeah, they're amazing, man. They're absolutely amazing drivers. But a 12-year-old doing that,
Yeah,
she's
very skillful.
Let's see the next video.
Dile que no. Listen. Ya, mi amor. Te tengo que pegar yo. Pero tengo que pegarle yo, porque no entiendes. Le tengo que pegar yo.
I said, no, don't
protect her.
Yeah, don't lick him at all.
Oh my gosh.
But
All
like
right.
Daddy say, hey, still
Clearly
going
not
to get too
Jamaican
licked.
culture. All right.
That's nice.
Okay. Baby protector. Let's see the other one.
This is the picture.
Okay.
Due to cutbacks, we
Picture
are going to
marketing.
have to fire Dave. Human resources manager, marketing manager, logistic
I
manager.
see what you did there, guys.
I don't get it.
So Dave is obviously the one in the trenches doing all the work, right?
Yeah.
But everybody else stands
Everybody
around,
stand up.
barking directions
Okay,
and
IT
watching.
manager, security manager.
But due to cutbacks, guess who got to go?
Dave.
The man who is doing all the work.
Now I got it.
Everybody else gets to stay.
What's the marketing manager? The one who does a look. And human resources just sit down comfortable.
But look at all, everybody had full, having a good time watching Dave dig his own grave, apparently.
That is funny. That is funny.
All right.
That's unfair, but funny.
Well, you know what, Nev?
Yep.
In a lot of real life situations, that's how
That's
it
the way it
pans out.
is. Where the world. That's
How
it?
it pans out. Yeah?
Oh, one more.
Oh, we have one more. Okay.
Well, guys, I tell you, must move on.
Is that the best gift ever?
A waffle,
Good
guys.
present. Good present.
Apparently that kid really enjoys waffle. Wow.
One last one.
Wow.
Oh, Clive in sync.
Wait. Wait, what?
What is that?
Wait, what just happened?
What is
Did the
that?
man go to Robert and realize he's in Bertie? I'll hug him up.
Hold on, man. Let me see this go.
I don't believe that's true. I must have been staged.
I can't imagine, no?
Must have been staged.
Come in for another person and say,
sorry,
oh,
sorry,
it's you.
sorry. Okay.
Incredible.
All right. If it really
All
was
right,
so.
well, there you go.
There's another one circulating on Jamaican social media with somebody who went to, let's say a young man went to a young lady's house when he ought not to. And then somebody who really ought to have been at the house came home. And a neighbor who is like next door, a couple of stories above, captured it all on video. And it was entertaining, I would say.
And it wasn't staged.
I don't know, but it did not look staged.
Oh, there you go.
It didn't look staged.
All right. Well, much more than smile.
Careful, guys. Everybody got a phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's an issue, though. Sometimes when you probably need to be helping, you're
Yeah.
videoing.
Yeah, but you have to just be careful because
Yeah.
everybody has a phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soon come.